with a quick Google Calendar tutorial. Get started. We need to make sure you get over to google.com to the home page and make sure you're logged into Google. And to get to Google Calendar, click on this box with a bunch of squares for your Google Apps. Just down here, Google Calendar pops up and it loads on up. So now we're in Google Calendar. And it's going to pop up right here's the weekly view. We can switch it over to days. Like I said, weekly view, month, 4 days, and then we can do agenda. It's going to give you a line-by-line item of all the different things you have coming up in a chronological order. All right, so we're going to switch back over to a weekly view, and let's see. So we want to create a new event or meeting. We're going to click on create and give it a title. Which, put Google Calendar tutorial, and you can just going by line, you can change the date here. So I'm going to put, because I've already had a couple attempts at this video, I'm going to put it on the 30th, and you can have your start time and your finish time or your end time. You can make, if you don't want to put times at all, you can just make it an all-day event. And if you want, if it's something like a meeting or an appointment that is repetitive, it keeps on, it's something that happens every week or every month, you can just simply click on the repeat box and then change it. You can put it as weekly, monthly, or just an annual thing. You can set it as such, and it'll keep on popping up over and over again. That way you don't have to retype all the information or reset the information. You can put your location in if you have a place that needs to be entered in there. You can add description. If you have, say, if you have a meeting with a group of people that are going to be invited into it, you can add an attachment, so you can put PowerPoint notes or PDF or anything like that in there. That way they can download the notes and that they'll have to go over. If that's something that you want to discuss during the meeting, and you simply add the guest here by just adding their email addresses, and it'll send out invites to them. You can color code your events and meetings. You can set up notifications or reminders, and however you want to add it in there, whatever intervals you want reminders to pop up at. You can mark yourself as available or busy depending on how you want to show in your calendar at that particular time. And let's see, visibility. So you can leave it as a default. You can put it public or private. And then last but not least, make sure that you hit save. So we saved it here, and it's the 30th. Now let's say if you want to reschedule the appointment, you don't want to have, instead of having to retype everything and canceling it and re-entering all the information, you just simply click on it and you drag it, and you can set it wherever you want. And once you do that, it's going to ask you if you want to update your invites with the new information. Of course, you want to send that out to them so they know when you've rescheduled the time for. Okay, so to share your calendar, just simply go get to your calendar and the little drop down arrow and share this calendar. Box is going to pop up, and this window is going to pop up. You can make the calendar public. Put the email address of the person that you want to share it with, and then you can set their permissions. You can allow them to make changes, add events to it, or you can simply just give them just view-only access, where they can only just see the events that are going on. Okay, so let's get back to the calendar. So now if we want to import our Moodle calendar into Google Calendars, if we go to other calendars, well, let's get to Moodle. So open up the Moodle. This is the Kinesiology 205 homepage, and click on the month where our calendar is going to be off to the right. The calendar is going to pop up. It's our Moodle calendar, and down towards the bottom, export calendar. I'm going to set events related to the courses and recent and next 60 days. So we're looking 60 days out, and then get calendar URL. So it's going to load up the URL, and I'm simply just going to highlight, right click, copy, And now I'm going back to my Google Calendar. All right, so other calendars, drop down arrow, add by URL, and we simply paste the URL in, and then we add the calendar. When that happens, it will populate down here. So, and that's it. That's the Google tutorial. Hope this all helps. Have a great day. Thanks.